Hello everyone, this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited, and today I've got yet another box van. This is a 2011 10-foot box, and it's powered by a small block V8 automatic transmission, and it has tow mode on it, so you can row your own gears as well on the automatic stick column. I'm going to do a walk around and startup of this vehicle. Like I said, box van, 10-foot box. Tires are in good shape. Gonna get a little bit, there we go, kind of get some glary days down here. Seats are in good shape, dash looks good, headliner in good shape. These are manual windows. It's got the big tow mirrors on it. Big heavy duty bumper. And these are designed to like pack boxes like Tetris and pull a car behind it, but these are really great for construction, electrical, plumbing, painting. Door cards look really good. Got lots of deep pockets here. Got seats. My wet feet were in it. I think this one's at 146,306. Got your power your lights over here, signals, windshield wipers, and your information, all your trip settings, all that good stuff. Climate control is stock, your stereo is stock, you have a 12-volt power supply, and then you have some tow mode that automatically goes into tow mode when you turn it on. If you're not towing anything, you could just press the button. This does have a one of the tire sensors is off. It's got 146,306 on the odo, and then you can press your tow button if you don't want to tow. But then it also has, you can go into manual mode and tow your or row your own gears if you've got a heavy load behind you. So this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. Once again, more vans, and they sell pretty quick. Tons of construction guys pick these up. I had a detailer come pick this up as well, mobile detailing. These are available and they go pretty quick. But come out, check this out. We use credit unions, national banks, lenders that work with bad credit, no credit. We also in-house finance, and we do some commercial lending as well. So thank you for watching my videos. If you have any questions, give us a call at 360-273-0711, or you could just put some comments down below and we'll get to those as well. Thanks for watching.